ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் சிவிக்ஸில் யூனிட் 4 ஹியூமன் ரைட்ஸ் அண்ட் யூஎன்ஓங்கிற லெஸ்டோட புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணினா ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் சப்போர்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். After the Second World War, DAS has taken several measures to protect the human rights. Option A, UNO, United Nations Organization. Second one, in 1995, women from all over the world gathered at Beijing. Option A. Third one, the National Human Rights Commission was constituted in 1993. Option B. Fourth one, the UNO declared 1979 as the International Year of Children. Option B. Fifth one, when is Human Rights Day observed? Option B. 10th December. Sixth one, which one is known as modern international Magna Carta of Human Rights? Option A. UDHRC. Seventh one, who can be appointed as the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission? Option B. Any retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Eighth one, how many articles does the Universal Declaration of Human Rights contain? Option B. 30. What is the tenure of the chairperson of National Human Rights Commission? Option D. 5 years or up to 70 years of age. 10th one, where is the headquarters of National Human Rights Commission? Situates எங்க இருக்குன்னா New Delhi. Option A. Then fill in the blanks. First one, each individual has right to lead a dignified life. Second one, human rights or fundamental rights. Third one, the State Human Rights Commission was formed on 17th April 1997. Fourth one, Article 24 of Indian Constitution prohibits child labor. Fifth one, UNO was established in the year 24th October 1945. Match the following. Eleanor Roosevelt and the Human Rights Commission. The Cyrus Cylinder, world's first Charter of Human Rights. Eve Teasing Act 1997. Child Helpline 1098. Freedom from slavery. Political right to vote. 235164. At the true or false. First one, human rights and civil rights are the same. False. Second one, Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen was proclaimed in India. False. Third one, the Human Rights Act of 1993 provides the creation of National Human Rights Commission. True. Fourth one, National Human Rights Commission has empowered to give punishment to the victims. False. Fifth one, Human Rights Commission was empowered to set up commission for the promotion of human rights at national and state level. True. Fifth one, consider the following statement, take the appropriate answer. First question, find the wrong statement. The wrong statement வந்து option B, National Human Rights Commission is a constitutional body அப்படிங்கிறது wrong. Then second one, which of the following statement is not correct about the National Human Rights Commission? இதில் ஆப்ஷன் சி மட்டும்தான் வந்து wrong. The chairperson and members of this commission are appointed by the Supreme Court of India அப்படிங்கிறது wrong. Then assertion type, Human Rights Day is observed on 10th December. Reason, it commemorates Eleanor Roosevelt birthday அப்படிங்கிறது தப்பு. இது ஆப்ஷன் A. or A is correct but or does not explain A. Okay, அடுத்தது consider the following statements. The State Human Rights Commission is a multi-member body. The State Human Rights Commission consists of chairperson and 3 members அப்படிங்கிறது அதில் வந்து எதுவுமே வந்து கரெக்ட் இல்லை. ஆப்ஷன் டி, நன். ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், உங்களை வேற ஒரு வீடியோவில் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ.